this is the end game. This is the end game. This is the final part. There are no redos of this challenge. This is it. Because the past 30 days, we're trying to flip this $10 into $1,000. There have been ups, there have been downs, there have been wins, there have been losses. But this is it. This is the last week. The previous week, we were able to take $200 and something to over $569. It was crazy. But now, those times are past. Now, we can only win the challenge when we get to $1,000. So even if we end at 800, 900, it's still a failure. So we're going all in. All in. It's either we blow this account or we make this money. So, anyways, by the end of the video, I have a big announcement for you guys. So make sure you watch to the end. So anyways, let's jump to the video. Let's go.
So guys, it's like 5 a.m. We're currently in a trade on USD Swiss franc. So I'm gonna show you guys what happened. So guys, it's currently 5 a.m. in the morning. We're on this trade on USD Swiss franc, USD CHF. So we're about to get some action on USD CHF. So just took the trade like an hour ago actually. As you can see, we're in a bit of minor drawdown, but this is just basically break even. So we missed a couple of sales on the USD Swiss franc, USD CHF. So I decided to take an entry here. So price finally did the retracement I was expecting, because after this lows was taken out, this lows here. So after these major lows was taken out, I was expecting a huge retracement. So as this lows is taken out, I'm expecting price to pull back. Even you can use your FIB. If you use FIB, you can use your FIB, try your FIB, and as you can see, it's around about 61.8, 70%. So as you can see, price then waited for price to break this level here. Price, as you can see here, I was waiting for it. Price then broke, retested, and now in my stop loss is about 30 pips. We're risking about $150 in this trade. So hopefully price goes down, and I'll update you guys on what happens. So let's go. So guys, well, it's currently 6 p.m. just after 6. Market just hit our stop loss. I don't know if you can see it here, but I just hit the stop loss. So we just lost over $236, as you can see there. $236. Oh, it's crazy. I know I said I was risking $150, but it seems I risked more. Yeah, I didn't do my calculations quite well, because I usually use a pip calculator before, but I've been trading for 4 years now. I just use my head to calculate, because I know pairs, I know the lot sizes I use, I know how many pips cost, how many dollars a pips a pair cost now, because I've been trading for a while. So I just use my brain. So honestly, I thought I was risking like $150, $160. It turns out I was risking over $200. So now the account is currently at $300 and something, $220 right now. So yeah. It's crazy, honestly. It's crazy. So now I'm just gonna we just have to look for another trade right now. So yeah, let's look for another trade and see how it goes. It's very sad, honestly. We're like halfway there, almost there. So let me just show you the trade first of all. So yeah, guys, as you can see, that's it. Price of hitting on stop loss. We're out of the trade. So now it's time to look for another trade. Honestly, I'm looking at this trade right now on GBP USD. Let me show you guys. Not entered yet. I've not entered yet. So I'm looking for price. So this is what I was expecting earlier. I was expecting price to break this level, retest it, and spike, giving my two spike entry confirmation. But now it didn't do that. But it can still do the same thing. It can still come down like this. Yeah, retest, give us our entry, and if it does give us our entry, then we can take it. Yeah, that's basically the only trade I'm looking at right now. So if it does happen, if it does play out, then I will take the trade. So yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, let's go. So guys, I know I keep saying guys. So what's the time? It's currently Thursday, 6:47 p.m. Remember in the last clip I said we were waiting for a trade on GBUSD. It went down, it went as predicted, everything, but it didn't give us our entry. I was waiting for two rejection. It only gave me one rejection. So the trade left us. We missed that one. I will show you guys. Now there's a trade I'm in right now. It's on USD card. Let me just show you guys first. Here's the card. We are around break even. I'm risking about $150 on this trade. So yeah, let's head to the chart and let me show you guys. So it's been a honestly, we're on Thursday. It's been a crazy week. Honestly, I'm trying to finish the challenge this week, and it's been crazy. Honestly, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll show you guys what's going on. So let's head to the chart. So this is what happened. This was the first hit we were looking for, right? This was the first hit we were looking for, right? On yeah. So this is what we're expecting, right? This is what happened. I was expecting price to break this level here and retest. It didn't do that. It went inside. Then I was like, okay. I said on the last clip, if price does break this level and retests, then I will enter. Now guess what happened? Price broke the level, right? And it did retest, but look at what I was expecting. I was expecting for two rejection candles. I only got one. If this candle just rejected here, would have taken my entry and probably would have been swimming in some profit. But it is fine. It's fine. You have to understand that this is trading. Trading is not easy. You will miss trades. You will come short on your. You just have to be able to follow your plan because this is why people lose. You see this thing. It gave only one rejection and we're expecting two rejection. You're like, I should have entered. I should have just taken the rejection. Break my trading plan. But you can't trade that way. You won't last. So at the end of the day, we miss the trade, we miss the setup, which is fine. So guys, this is the trade on USD card here we took. So I was seeing this trend line on USD card on 4 hours, where you just see like, bro, there are multiple points of liquidity all around this place here. I mean, trend lines, overextended trend line, not just trend lines, overextended trend lines. They are like spots where a lot of sellers are or a lot of buyers in a buy scenario, a long position scenario. So as you can see, there's a bunch of liquidities everywhere, honestly. So I just used the simple strategy of trend line breaks. So now the trend line has broken this level, the trend has been broken. It retested these highs, turning it into support, supplies turned into demand. So now I just took my entry, to be honest. I just took my entry because it's a clear setup, honestly. It's a very, very, very clear setup. So right now I'm just expecting price. I mean, there's a chance that price might go to the top of this trend line. But usually when a trend line breaks, price actually gets to the top. So price might go all the way up, but bro, we're not holding that far. So right now I'm just gonna watch the trade. As you can see, it's currently playing around in break even, as you can see. So it's playing around in break even. We're gonna watch the trade, see what happens then. If there's any updates, you can see we're in a bit of profit. So as you can see, we're in a bit of profit here. So whatever happens, I'll update you guys. Like I said, I'm risking about $150 in this trade. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I'll update you guys. So good morning guys. It's currently 4:41 a.m. in the morning. So this is what's happening on USD card. USD card is currently going up as we expected, which is a very good thing. So we are up in profit over around one because I'm risking like $150 in this trade. So as you can see there, we're in profit. So what I'm expecting right now is probably for price to retest here. If it does retest here, give us another entry, then I might take it, then follow it all the way up. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm expecting. So now we just let the trade move, and yeah, nothing much really. I'll update you guys on what happens next. So see you guys there. So guys, it's currently 7 a.m. in the morning. So we had a good day last week. We were able to bounce back from our loss. So currently the account is currently at $623, as you can see here. So as you can see, because I mean after that last loss we took, after the last loss we took, which was $236, as you can see there, so we're able to bounce back and made up to $300. So now I said I was going to be risking $150 on this trade. So I risked that. It hit immediately he hit $300. I was like, bro, it was time to get out the trade. So now we are back at the account. We're back. So now let's look for other setups. On the USD card, what I'm still expecting on USD card is probably, so I still feel like, because you remember when I was analyzing this trade, I said I was looking at these points of liquidity here. This first point, second point, a lot of liquidity is on that point here too. So I'm expecting price to get probably to these highs here. To these highs, even maybe these highs too. Yeah. So that might happen. So what we should expect now is probably for price to do retracement. So we should expect price to maybe come down here. This is what I will be expecting. Catch up with my EMA, give me a switch of structure, then I'll probably take it to the upside. Yeah. But in the meantime, the trade I'm currently, let's say currently sharp, but the trade I'm looking at right now, it's GBP card. Yeah, it's GBP card because I've been looking to buy this market since, but it hasn't just been doing what I wanted to do. If you look at this place here, let me zoom in. So if you look here, right, you can see I put my arrows for what I wanted to see happen, but it didn't happen. So I was expecting price to break this level, take out this liquidity here, break and retest up here. It didn't, it dropped straight down. Then I said, okay, since it dropped straight down, let price break this level, retest here. It still didn't do that, it went down. But right now, I'm seeing something right now. I'm seeing that price has broken a significant level of resistance, which is about to turn to support and switch structure to the upside. So you might be seeing the market in a downtrend now, but actually the market is in an uptrend. So let me zoom out. So as you can see clearly, the market is in an uptrend. So we're just looking to catch the swings. So hopefully price does do that, and if price does that, yeah, that would be a nice trade for us. Yeah. So USD card, yeah, we're expecting USD card. Then yeah, USD card was still expecting it. So Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So price eventually went to hit my TP. So as you can see, yeah. Anyways, yeah. Good day all throughout. Good day all throughout. Yesterday was a really good day. We were able to bounce back from the loss. Tuesday morning. Good morning, guys. So yeah, I'll update you guys on what happened next. Let's go.
Guys, as you can see, today is Friday. On this trade on GBP card. Yeah. So I took this trade yesterday, but I was not be able to film. So as you can see, we're in some drawdown, but now we're in some profit. Let me show you guys an MT4. We're in some little profit right now. So yeah. So I'm expecting this trade. So I'm risking about $200 on this trade. If this trade hits our TP, we're gonna pass the challenge, and then we'll have NFP coming soon today around 1:30. So let's see what NFP is gonna do. Is that gonna shoot up, hit our TP, or yeah? So let's just see what happens. I'll update you guys on what happens. So guys, as you can see clearly, we're still on the trade. Market is actually going up a bit. We're like over 1 right now. So as you can see, we're in quite some profit right now. And as I said, um, this we're trading on GBP card right now. Today is Friday and there's CPI coming. There's unemployment rates for Canada. Yeah. So for CAD. So we're just waiting for the news. It's currently 1:18. So we have like 12 minutes more. Yeah. So hopefully price just goes up and it's our take profit. Yeah. Let's just wait and see what happens. So I'll update you guys on what happens. As the NFP just dropped. Right now, as you can see, the market is flying up. Yeah, it's flying, but I don't know why it's saying I'm at $173 and I'm saying I'm a profit. Maybe it hasn't updated yet. As you can see, bro, what's going on? The market is flying, bro. But the MT4 has not caught up yet. Jeez, bro, what's going on? Bro, it's still showing we are $240. Bro, what's going on? I think we'll have to wait for the market to cash up. But surely, we should have hit $400 by now. We should have hit $400 by now, but as you can see, it's showing yet, but we should have hit. But if we hit our TP, I'm sure we're gonna close with $400 or something soon. What? It's showing $200 now. It's showing $200 now. 730. It's crazy. I don't know why it's going to 219. I don't get it, but it's the liquidity, I'm guessing. Why it's just hit our TP? It hasn't closed yet. What's happening? It's showing 29. So I think we're gonna wait because as you can see, my TP is 2450. 74450. As you can see, I just hit 74450 like seconds ago, but we still haven't closed for some reason. So hopefully it closes by itself. So if it gets to 400, I'm gonna close. I think we're already at. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close now, bro. I'm gonna close. We're already at $1,000. Let's just close. Yeah, we just closed. As you can see, we closed at 400. You know when we close it showed 380 something, but as you can see, oh, this thing don't want to. So as you can see, we just closed $432. It was around 300 and something, but like I said, yeah, the price is moving so fast that MT4 is having a chance to catch up. So As you can see, we close at $432. Account $1,155 for the week. We are at for the week. Let's see. We are at we lost 296 dollars starting of the week. We made $302. Now we made $432. Altogether $498 profit for the week. But we just passed our challenge, bro. We just passed our freaking challenge. Market is still actually flying up. Woo, woo, woo. Congratulations myself, bro. Yeah. Okay, let me turn the camera and let me explain this straight to you guys. So, yeah, yeah, let's go. So, guys, it's currently uh Sunday. I'm just having a chance to go back to the chat and show you guys what happened. So, we passed the challenge. Yeah, I'm having a bit of cold. We passed the challenge. The account is currently at $1,055. Bro, it's been a long journey here. Crazy long journey here. And the trade that made us pass the challenge was this GBP card, which you guys saw on NFP. NFP is the USD news and it's the Canadian side. So we waited for the Canadian side. We're already actually in profit before the news came out. So not luckily for us because it was our analysis that made us predict the price movement. So now the challenge is finished. I mean, I'm seriously thankful that the challenge is finished, honestly, because this challenge has just been so stressful, like crazily stressful. Like you won't imagine, like, bro, nah, never again. Maybe sometime in the future I will do it, but bro. Anyways, so for the last week, we were able to, after taking that loss we did on USD chef, we were able to take a win on USD card, then end it with another win on GB card. Yeah, so which is very good. So I'm just gonna go to the chart right now, explain the trade for you guys so you guys can see the reason why I took this trade. Because if you look at the last clip, remember I said that I was waiting to take a buys there, but I actually didn't take a buys at the first entry. I waited because it didn't align with my rules. So let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you guys remember that I was saying that I was planning to take an entry at this level when price shifted structure from the downside to the upside on GBP card. You can also see the line I drew here itself. You can see it clearly there. So obviously I was waiting to enter there, but this is what happened. So when price switch structure, okay, maybe like now, because if we go on the forwards, let me zoom back. If we go on the forward, right? If we go on the forwards and look at what's just happened, right? Price was in the downtrend, right? Okay. Price was in the downtrend, right? Downtrend to the downside. You can see price creating lower highs and lower lows. It's clear to see. So price even broke out this big swing structure here. This big swing structure, you can see it here. So now you can clearly see that price is going down, right? So guess what? Price then broke this structure point here, switching it to an uptrend structure. So now we're looking for our buys because the whole time frame is giving us a buy bias. So now we go on our 1 hour while we wait for our switch of structure. When we go on our 1 hour to take our trade, we cannot just enter like that. So price then retested. I said I was waiting for price to calm down, give us a switch of structure before entry. Price didn't do that. Oh well, it didn't do that. Things don't always happen the way you want them. So price didn't give my structure. It came, it did a double bottom here. I thought of entering that double bottom, but I was like, if I enter here or even here, I will have to put my stop loss down here. which is about 47 pips stop loss, then targets up, up to about 1 ratio 2, which is still fine. It will still have hit my target, but I didn't really want to take that setup because yes, first of all, you're putting your stop loss in a higher in a you're putting a bigger stop loss. Another thing is still it's not like an A plus setup. So I was like, okay, let me just leave that one, leave that one. That one is for another day. So I was okay, let me wait and be patient. So guess what happened? Price then came down. Price then broke this new structure highs, came downwards. Hope you guys are saying it. So guys broke price broke the structure highs, came downwards. Guess what? I still didn't enter there. I waited for a chart pattern, which it gave me a double bottom here. It's getting a bit cloudy. A double bottom. Immediately I saw this double bottom. Boom. With this bullish candle, I entered. Put my stop loss below this structure low here. So as you can see, stop loss below here. And below this structure low here. So as you can see there clearly, West got into a bit of drawdown, but I was not still worried. I was like, if this level, and this place is still my QP too, I was like, if this level can hold, then I'm sure I'm safe. I put about 35 pip stop loss, and guess what happened? My target was initially here, this other QPs, but there was no need for me to hold to there because I already calculated the money I needed. I needed $200, so price 400 if I say 200. Price shot up with the news and. It actually spiked first, but you know, if you have been trading news for a while, I mean, I will not advise you to trade news, but if you're just looking at news, the way news movement move, the first movement is usually fake. So it spiked down. As it spiked down, I was like, then it's gonna go up. Then it shot up. So that's what happened. So basically it's an easy trade. Easy trade if you know what you're doing. So yeah. So that was just it. So guys. Now the challenge is done. It's done. It's done. Honestly, with the way I trade, and the way I teach my students or our students, as you know, this is a team, the All Blues team. You can actually catch trades like this, and you can actually do things like this, like flipping, not flipping. Like if you seen if you saw the way, if you watch the videos from the start, from the first episode, the second episode, the third episode, now the fourth episode, you will see that I'm flipping, but not like these other ways people do their own. I'm doing it in a conservative way, in a way that you will save your money. Like I said, I've done this before. I was able to flip 300. I will not call it flip. I was able to grow $300 to over $5,000 in a span of just 3 to 4 months. And during that period, actually, now it's easy for me now because I don't need the money. During that period, I won't say I needed the money, but I've not seen that kind of money in my life. So I was like, oh, but now $1,000, I'm like, oh, bro, if I lose, I lose. Who gives a fuck? But at that time, I've not seen that kind of money in my life, so the pressure was still a bit much. But with that strategy, and with the way I trade, you minimize your risk, maximize your profit. That's the essence of trading. Trading, you will surely lose, but if you minimize your risk, if you see in some of my videos I used to do back then, like maybe I'll find the clips. There was something I used to write on my charts. I was like, fewer trades, lower drawdowns. Just think about it. Fewer trades, lower drawdowns. So the fewer the trades you take, you have a lower chance to lose money. It's just easy, it's just simple mathematics. The fewer trades you take, the lower the chance you have to lose money. So you lose less, but risk reward. So when you win, boom. So as you can see, so honestly, bro, I'm going to start dropping signals on the Telegram group. I'm not usually a lot active on there, usually Jimmy, because I've been busy with one or two things. So I'm gonna start dropping signals on the Telegram group. And if you want to learn from us, if you're like a beginner, or if you're like you just started and everything, bro, hit us up on Instagram and I will take you from your beginner stage to a stage like this where you can be making money and sustaining your life by yourself with just trading. Everything we are doing here is just trading. So yeah, without talking much, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash your MT4. See you guys later.